Hi, this is Michael with California Gold and Silver Exchange. I just want to show you one of our latest products from the Royal Mint. It's from the Myth and Legend series. It's the 2023 1 ounce Merlin coin. So let's take a look. Let's open up these straps and see how it goes, okay? That one. So there's 500 coins in the box, 25 tubes, and each one has 25 in them. Let's grab one of these, see what it looks like. So on the front side, it's got King Charles. And on the back is the Sorcerer Merlin. There's other ones in the series. There's Robin Hood, Little John, Maid Marian, King Arthur, and now this is the latest one. We have them available here at our Upland location. If you buy 500, you get a monster box, all sealed like that. And they have a low premium over the spot price per ounce. So let us know if you need anything. Thanks guys, have a great day.